All right, so we've got a cosine squared minus a sine squared, so that looks familiar. Think about double angle of cosine. Again, having a trig cheat sheet of formulas be a good idea when you're doing this stuff. So that says cosine of 2 theta equals cosine squared of theta minus sine squared of theta. And so here we can see we have the cosine squared of 28, sine squared of 28. So that tells me right here that theta is equal to 28, right? Just by comparison. And that's degrees, not radians, so let's label it. So what could A be? Well, according to this formula, the other side has to be cosine of 2 theta, so that A has to be 2 theta. And we now know by just comparison, theta is 28. So A has to be 2 times 28 degrees, which is what, 56 degrees for A. All right, let's try B. So B, again, I see a cosine squared, I see a sine squared. So what do we know here? Let's use a different color. Part B. Comparing that to my formula up here, I'm just going to rewrite it. Cosine squared of theta minus sine squared of theta equals cosine of 2 theta. And the version here says cosine squared of 3x, so theta and 3x should be the same, minus sine squared of 3x equals the cosine of b. So again, comparison here, theta has to be equal to 3x, b has to be 2 theta, and so again, replacing the theta here, theta is 3x, so b would have to be 6x. And something to keep in mind here, so just I'm going to rewrite this one more time. Cosine squared of 3x minus sine squared of 3x equals cosine of 6x. And the bottom line with this formula is whatever angle is doubled here, it's single there, vice versa. Whatever angle is single here, it's doubled there. So here I have, this is my single version of the angle, that's my double version of the angle, and there's really not much I can do with it besides that, because this is going to be true for any value of x or any value of theta. So the best we can say here is b is 6x. Let's see if the system likes those answers. It says degrees out there, so I can just enter my 56 here. When I click on this one, it's telling me to enter an algebraic expression with x. So again, we got to look at that fine print when we click on these boxes. So 6x should be that one.